Do you walk in a room, forget why you're there, start 3 new tasks, and then at the end of the day, exhausted with nothing actually done? Around here, we call that squirrel brain. And no, your brain isn't broken. It's just overloaded. Today, we're going to talk about what squirrel brain really is, and I'll give you a simple 15-minute method to start feeling calmer by tonight. Hi, I'm Trina. Welcome to Trina's Humble Homestead and welcome to Squirrel Brain Survival School. I live on a humble homestead. I've got a trauma history, big feelings, and about 47 tabs open in my mind at all times. On this channel, we talk about health, nervous system healing, and simple homestead style solutions you can actually do. What is squirrel brain? Squirrel brain is my friendly way of describing the scattered, jumpy, easily distracted. For some of us, it's ADHD. For others, it's trauma, burnout, chronic stress, or just trying to be everything for everyone. Your brain is constantly scanning, what did I forget? Who needs me? What's going to go wrong? That uses up focus before you even start. So you're not lazy, your brain is just on survival mode. Here's the good news. That same brain is creative, intuitive, and great at problem solving. We're not trying to fix it. We're going to build a system around it so that it can do its job without burning you out. Let's get into the 15-minute win method. Here's my favorite tool, brain dump. Write down everything in your head. Don't organize it, just empty. Then pick one area: home, kids, work, money, health. Just circle one. Make it tiny. Ask, what can I do in 15 minutes that would move this 1% forward? Not clean the house, clear just the kitchen sink. Not fix my life, schedule one doctor's appointment. Set a timer for 15 minutes, stop when it dings. Even if you want to keep going, that is my problem all the time. It's so hard to stop, right? But stop and then celebrate the win out loud. Tell your nervous system, see, we can do things. Over time, these tiny 15 minutes wins teach your brain we're safe, we can start, and we can finish. We're not failing. That creates momentum. So to make this easier, I made you a free Squirrel Brain Starter task list. It has the exact brain dumped prompts I used and 30 example 15-minute wins you can steal when your mind goes blank. You can print it, stick it on the fridge, and just point to one when you're overwhelmed. Grab it at the link below, and when you do, I'll also invite you into my Squirrel Brain Survival email series where we go deeper every week. Next week, we're going to talk about how to break your whole life into 15-minute projects so you can stop spinning and start finishing. hit that subscribe button so you don't miss. And tell me in the comments what's one 15-minute win you're going to try today. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Be blessed. Remember you're loved. And don't forget to check out my Feel Good Fridays and Medicinal Mondays for total whole mind, body, and spirit, natural, practical tips for wellness. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye.